Hey guys, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So the wig I'm about to share with you guys is from JurllyShe hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave the links in the description box. So the wig they sent over is a Prestyled wig. It is a 13x4 lace front blonde loose wave wig. I have it in 24 inches and it's 150% density. So the knots does not come bleached, but the hairline does come pre-plucked. And as you can see, it is pre-curled already, so you don't have to put in too much work. I didn't go in and bleach the knots, but if you wanted to, you could. And if you wanted the hairline to look a little bit more natural, you can also go in and pluck it. But I think it looks okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Now they do offer buy now, pay later, just in case you don't have your funds up front. And you can use the code K for 16% off, and I'm gonna leave all that in my description box. Now I'm a little excited because this wig actually, the way it's styled or curled, it actually reminds me of a wig I just did a video on. I think that, I can't remember the company, but it was the ginger looking wig. It was like ginger and brown mixed. That is giving me that type of vibe. Like this wig is giving me that vibe. So I'm excited to brush out these curls, y'all, because I can tell it's just going to be amazing. But overall, I do like the wig. I love the color. Now, one thing I did do that I didn't show on camera is I went in and curled the front, because you know, once the wig sits in the packaging for a while, the curls kind of get a little jacked up. So I did go in and just curl the front part so it can frame my face and lay a little better. But besides that, I actually like this wig because JurllyShe, like when you hear that name, you think about the clothes that they sell. I had no idea that they sold hair, you guys, but I'm here for it. That's like a one-stop shop, okay? The wig is good. The quality so far so good. I can't complain. So like I said, if you are interested, definitely check out the description box. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. You guys let me know what you think. Also, please let us know if you have purchased hair from here. The girls want to know, okay? I want to know. So let me know, okay, if you have purchased a wig from here. But so far, my experience has been good.
I wanna let you know I'm proud to know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be perfect just without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better. Challenge me for the better. Don't expect me when you call my love letter. what to do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be perfect just without you. If I want it, when I ask you for it.